it's Jeunie. Welcome back to my channel, and I am super excited to share this super duper cute and trendy headband wig from our friends at Idefine Wigs. And this is a super cute deep wave human hair headband wig, and this is how the unit will come packaged. You'll get headbands, and my goodness, I got an abundance of headbands. I got some individually wrapped. You'll also get these really nice free goodies inside: some wig caps, a brush for your edges, a rat tail comb. Love this stuff. And here is your beautiful headband wig. Look at that curl pattern. It is absolutely gorgeous. We'll talk a little bit more about the curl pattern and the hair a little bit later, but let's get into the cap construction on this gorgeous headband wig. Of course, it comes with a stretchy black headband that's sewn into the unit, and you also have combs. This is what the inside of the cap construction looks like. Very comfortable. It fits an average size head circumference. Let's get into the hair details. Again, it is a deep body wave texture, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. The hair is so soft to the touch. Literally, my fingers just ran through the hair. It's just so soft and it feels so good. I didn't experience any tangling or any shedding with this unit, and you guys, believe it or not, I didn't use any product on this hair to maintain the curls. I didn't want to use any product because the hair naturally was just beautiful, gorgeous in its natural state with no product. So I didn't use anything on this hair. I did go ahead and use a paddle brush to fluff out the curls. I mean, the curls as is are gorgeous, but if you want to add a little bit of volume and body to the hair, definitely go in with your paddle brush and kind of fluff out the curls to make it even more voluminous. The length on this hair is about 20 inches. The density is 180%, and it's giving us all body, all volume. You won't experience any shedding again with this unit, no tangling. And I'm just in love with the fact that I didn't have to use any product on this headband wig. I mean, it's absolutely to die for. And can we talk about this beautiful color? It's so beautiful. This is like a warm chocolate brown color with very subtle and soft honey blonde highlights throughout. Just absolutely gorgeous. I also love the movement with this unit as well. It really flows with you, it moves with you. It's just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Easy to style, easy to manage, very healthy hair. I pretty much love everything about this headband wig. Love the color, love the body, love the volume. I mean, for me, it's an A++. You guys will have to check out the details in the description box below. I do have a coupon code down there so you can save a few dollars off of your purchase, and you'll have the direct link to head on over to view and purchase this wig from Idefine Wigs. Until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.